The war with Mexico. Texas had gained independence from Mexico in 1836 and had received the nickname Lone Star Republic. Many of the Texans didn't want to stay independent for long. They wanted to be part of the United States because most of them were Americans, so they asked Congress to annex Texas to the Union. Texas and Mexico couldn't decide on a border. Mexico was saying that the Nueces River should be the border, but Texas disagreed. They said that the Rio Grande River should be the border. The United States stormed the Rio Grande River with Zachary Taylor at the helm, not letting any Mexicans pass, saying that it was to be Texas's new border. The United States President, James K. Polk, sent John Slidell to offer $25 million for Texas, California, and New Mexico, but they said no deal. Santa Anna, the Mexican president, then moved his armies northward and ambushed us. 2 days later, Mexico declared war. Capturing New Mexico. General Stephen Kearny left with his army to New Mexico. Once there, he used the power of persuasion to convince the Mexican troops that they were withdrawing, and that allowed them to take over New Mexico without firing a shot. The Bear Flag Revolt. In California, some Americans, led by the famous explorer John C. Fremont, rebelled against Mexico in the Bear Flag Revolt, in which they arrested the Mexican leader and hung a very ugly-looking flag showing a crude bear and a star with the words California Republic written in blackberry juice. The Californians declared independence from Mexico, and weeks later, America joined forces with California, and California became part of America. The Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo. In this treaty, Mexico recognized that the Rio Grande River as the southern border of Texas, and that Texas was now part of America. The Mexican Cession. Mexico gave up a huge tract of land within the present-day states of California, Nevada, Utah, most of Arizona, parts of New Mexico, Colorado, and Wyoming. Combined with Texas, Mexico had lost more than half of its original size. Since America caused the war, just because they wanted some of Mexico's land, America ended up paying Mexico $15 million for the cost. America also ended up paying $3.25 million more for the claims U.S. citizens had against Mexico. And last, America promised to protect the 80,000 Mexicans in Texas and the Mexican Cession. The effects of the war. A whole lot of land was lost by Mexico when they lost the war, including Texas, New Mexico, and California. The United States now stretched from sea to shining sea. And after the war, we gave $18 million for a tract of land in the very south of New Mexico for the new South Transcontinental Railroad. Also, the new southern border for Texas was now the Rio Grande River.